Hey guys, what is up? It is Dominic, and in this video, we're going to be talking about GoHighLevel, of course, but more specifically, we're going to be breaking down search engine optimization, SEO, page speed, how to make your AI vibe-coded websites inside of GoHighLevel, inside of AI Studio. How do you make them actually worth money? Anybody can come in here and type in, I want the best junk removal website ever, press enter, and get a pretty solid website. But how do you make that website worth something to the actual junk removal company? What if the page speed's low? What if the search engine optimization is trash and no one can find it on Google? These are questions that you need answered, and lucky for you, I'm going to show you how to find those answers. And as a bonus, Declan O'Reilly, the GHL wizard, will be joining me for this awesome video. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this awesome collaboration where Declan and I break down SEO and page speed for these AI vibe-coded websites inside of GoHighLevel.
All right, guys, we're not going to waste any of your time. We're just going to get right into it.
Perfect. So starting off, when doing SEO, there are a couple things that you need to do in order to check the SEO speed. We're going to get to that in a second. For right now, I'm going straight to AI Studio, where I actually had a custom insane website built today that is built specifically to have a really bad SEO. So as you guys can see, this website is horrible. I mean, there's so much going on. The speed is really, really bad. I'm kind of lagging already on the front page. I can click on all of these and I don't even know what they all do, but it was built specifically to have bad SEO and a bad SEO score. So what we're going to do is we're going to go test that out. We're going to find out exactly what this SEO score is. Really easy. It's free. Anybody watching this can do it. So what we're going to do is copy up here this little vibe previewcode.com. You don't actually have to have it connected to a real domain. You can do this on the vibe code preview if you want to, but it is better to have it on a real domain. So we're going to take that URL. We're going to hop on over to Page Speed Insights on Google. So Google owns this. It's just called Page Speed Insights. Very easy. Any of you guys can get this. And then we're going to paste it right here and analyze the entire site. So that's what it's doing. It's going to analyze this site. It's going to tell us our score. And a lot of the score might be pretty good. It's just about the SEO. We're looking at SEO right now, but we're going to talk about mobile speed and the actual website speed itself, which is still affected by SEO. So as you can see, look, performance was great. These things are all good because AI Studio makes phenomenal sites. But look at SEO, 40, freaking terrible. We do not want a 40 SEO score. Everything else was solid, but we care about the SEO right now. And if you click on SEO or any of these, it actually gives you an entire breakdown. Look at all this stuff, just an entire breakdown of everything that you need to do for SEO. If I click down here, it tells you all this stuff, and this is all like a foreign language. Nobody cares. So what we need to do is to take all this information, put it into ChatGPT, and it's going to create one prompt that can save us from destruction. So that's what we're going to be doing. There's a couple different ways we can do this, but honestly, ChatGPT is so freaking good now that I actually just take the URL at the top, paste it into ChatGPT and say, hey, take all of this information right here and make the SEO score closest to 100 that you can possibly do. And then it's going to go through absolutely everything and do its best to do that. I also like to paste the URL of the original site in there so it can grab a lot of that stuff from the original site as well. But that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to work on this prompt right here. You could also come in here and take a photo or something and a screenshot and send it to ChatGPT if you want. But for right now, let's see if they can just take the URL, copy it right here, and then we're going to head on over to ChatGPT. Once you're in ChatGPT, we're going to paste that URL. I'm also going to paste the URL of the vibe code preview site. I'll do that in a second. Right now, I'm going to type in what I want ChatGPT to do. Let me do that real quick.
By the way, guys, if you have any questions during this video at literally any time, drop it down below and I will answer personally, or Dom will come in and get it taken care of. So either way, we will go through and answer all your questions. I want this to be like an interactive learning experience. If you ask questions at the same time we're filming, you just learn much faster and we respond quickly. So make sure you're going down below when you have questions.
All right, guys. So I basically typed in, can you take everything you see in this page up here to improve my website's SEO? It has an SEO score of a 40 and I need it closer to 100. Please do everything it says on the page to increase that score. I will also send you the original URL of the site that has a bad score. Boom, sent it right here, window repair. I said, use lazy loading, whatever you need to, and I will copy and paste the prompt into GoHighLevel AI Studio. So I was pretty vague. I mean, I didn't say anything too specific, nothing that you guys can't also type right here. and we're just going to see what it does. Usually it will have enough information based off of the Insights tab that it can do everything that we need it to do. I will like to point out, and we will be going back into AI Studio very soon, that AI Studio does have an SEO tab that a lot of you guys probably don't even know about or haven't used yet. We will still be using that tab, and I'm going to show you guys how to use that in this video. But if you want like, next level, then you have to do stuff like this. You got to use either Chrome extensions or different SEO companies or businesses that or software, sorry, that can find you everything wrong with your site, because you really need to go super in depth and then have ChatGPT do all the heavy lifting for you, which it clearly just did. So it's still working on it. This might be a long process. I mean, it's got to go through 15 different pages of the website and do a lot of technical advanced stuff that would have cost you, by the way, probably $5,000 to $7,000 from an SEO expert maybe 3 or 4 years ago. So the fact that we can do that now and save just unbelievable amounts of thousands of dollars and get our site at the highest possible speed you could ever imagine with the greatest SEO is genuinely insanity. Like it's pretty crazy. So I'm happy with this. I'm excited to see what happens when we fix it. And I was happy with the score at the beginning. I mean, even us trying to make a really bad site on AI Studio, it still made a pretty good website, which is just crazy. It's like AI Studio is so good, it can't be bad. But we'll copy it right here, and then we're going to go back into AI Studio. All right, guys, now that we're back in AI Studio, all I'm going to do is paste it into Ask AI, click the enter button, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. But now it's going to go through absolutely everything. It's going to add a ton of different tools, and it's probably going to lazy load all the photos. It's going to do everything that it possibly can with any videos that we have in here. It's going to change all these animations. I mean, there's so many things that it's going to do in order to increase this SEO score and hopefully make this thing a lot faster, easier, smoother. But that's why we use Ask AI. It does all the things that we don't really understand. And I'm excited to see how it does. But we're obviously going to fast forward through this part for you guys. Before I do that, though, I do want to show you the in-house SEO that you guys can do. And we will be doing this as well. So if you click this little drop down arrow, you guys all have it in your AI Studio on all of your websites over here next to the name of the website. You can see there is a settings tab. Once you click on settings, you will notice over to the left, we have project settings where you can change all the project settings. We have domains where you can connect it to the domain. And then right under here, we have SEO. So if you want to optimize for SEO within the AI Studio site, then all you have to do is verify your site is live. So once you copy that website link and verify it, then you're good to go. This works, like I said, way better if you have it connected to a real domain. And then improve social preview. We can copy that prompt right here, generate sitemap, copy that prompt right here. And all you have to do is paste it back into Ask AI. It's pretty easy. And they'll have a checkbox right here to make sure that you did everything that you're supposed to do. See, it says connect a custom domain, set it as primary. I'll show you guys how to do that. It's super easy to do, but that's obviously going to be one of the most important things that you do for SEO. And you guys would all be doing that anyway for your clients, because you're not going to have site previews as your clients' domains. You would connect it to real domains, real URLs. But either way, these are pretty basic. They're pretty simple. They can help for sure. They'll help you with SEO, but not as powerful as what we just did. So I recommend doing this, which is literally setting up the SEO, HTML, rerouting. It's building optimized layout. It's building the SEO homepage. It's building the service pages. It's cleaning up bloat files. I don't even know what that means, but it's doing it. And it's going to make this site a lot better, a lot faster, and like I said, a lot smoother. So we'll fast forward this part, and we'll let you guys know, and then we're going to test out that score at the end and see if the SEO score goes up a little bit. Hopefully it goes closer to 100. I don't know if we'll get to 100, but either way, 40 was in the red. It's not a good score. You do not want a 40. So hopefully we can see if we can get that thing up, and we will be back when it's ready. All right, guys, and it is done. It added 23 SEO tools. It made the site a lot cleaner than it was before. Obviously, if we want to add some crazy stuff, if we do want there to be more photos and stuff like that, we can totally do that while still making sure the SEO is perfect and the website speed is very good. But obviously, this is so much faster, so much more simple, and it should still have really good SEO, which is what we care about most. So let's go view the site real quick and grab that URL and do another test. So we're going to grab this website right here, which should have everything in here. Frequently asked questions. There should be a good amount of pages in here. We're just going to grab it, copy it at the top, and then head back over into our page speed insights. So remember, this was our page speed. This was our SEO of 40. Let's redo it. let's do it like this. Once again, guys, having the Vibe preview is going to hurt us a little bit. We can connect that to a real domain, but obviously this is just a test for you guys. So we're going to analyze that, and we should have an answer very soon. All right, guys, and here it is. As you can see, performance is still 100. We have accessibility at 94, best practices at 100, and SEO at 100 for SEO. This thing has amazing metrics, amazing speed. It's so much better than the garbage that we had before. Now, obviously, there's still more that we can do. I still think that we should do the actual in-house SEO as well. But it's kind of hard to argue with these scores. These are pretty solid, maybe the 3 best scores or 4 best scores you can possibly get. So I'm pretty happy with what we did, and I'm happy with ChatGPT. They did a solid job. And there is a lot more that goes into this. We're going to be working on a master AI SEO prompt for you guys so that you can basically just take everything that we've already built and then plug it into AI Studio. So we'll be working on that for the next couple of weeks. If you guys are affiliates of ours, then you're going to be getting those amazing prompts. And I just want this to work as easily, as simple as possible for you guys. I know that there's so much going on. We keep coming out with new videos every single day. We keep coming out with new AI prompts. That's like our thing right now. I personally believe AI prompts are going to be significantly more powerful than snapshots very soon, if not right now. So that's what we're going to be doing. Declan and I are going to be making sure that you guys have the easiest time ever inside of GHL, especially when it comes to SEO and making sure that your clients have the fastest, best performing websites they could ever have. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated for you guys. Any of you guys can hop on Page Speed Insights. I believe it's owned by Google, and you could go and test it out and then take that URL and all the pain points and everything that's in there and then take it over to ChatGPT to create a prompt. All right, guys, I promised I would show you the in-house SEO as well. I've done this before on my channel, but I'm going to show you guys again. We're going to an actual website that I made that is connected. If you click publish right here, that is connected to a real life domain. I did tinesdownirrigation.com, a company that I'm starting with my brother. So I felt like I needed to show you the in-house SEO as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a drop down right here, go to settings, and we're going to go to SEO. Once we're in SEO, open your site in a private incognito window to confirm that it's live. So we can go do that real quick. If you guys don't know how to do incognito, at least on Mac, it's pretty easy. I believe it's Control-Command-N. And it seems like it's working. I am on an incognito browser. Everything's coming up, so that should be fine. And now we can head on back and do the other steps. Next is improve social preview content. We're going to copy the prompt right there and head on back. We're just going to paste it into Ask AI. Boom, done. Super easy. We're going to go back and do this again. Go to settings, go back to SEO, and copy this generate sitemap prompt as well. Copy right there. Head on back. And then you're going to paste it right here in Ask AI, but we have to wait for this one to finish first before we do that. So we're going to wait a second for that to be finished. But let me show you guys one other thing in the settings tab. Go back to SEO. And then it says submit sitemap to Search Console. So tell Google about your sitemap to speed up the indexing. And you have a button right here that says learn how. So while we're waiting on that, you can open up the sitemaps report. This is where it takes you when you click on learn how. We're going to open up sitemaps report. And the first thing that it's going to tell you to do is add a new property over here. We're going to click add property, and all you have to do is put in the domain right here, which is not quite done yet, but we can do that in a second. And then basically it's going to do all URLs across all subdomains. So www dot, or just the regular, all URLs across HTTP, and requires DNS verification. So as long as you guys have that, which is super easy, all of you guys do, then you should be fine. You can paste in that URL once everything's done. And that will be the fourth and final step for the in-house SEO. I think the SEO that we did is a little bit more powerful, but these are all just different things that you guys can definitely test out and make sure that your site is running very, very quickly and very smoothly for your clients.
All right, so if you guys like what you're seeing and you want access to all of our future prompts, especially this really big SEO prompt we're doing, we have a special free community that you can join by going right down below and signing up with the 30-day free trial. Dom, let's show them exactly what we give them in this community, because really no one else is doing it the way we do it. We give away so much. So first off, you get access to an entire community, as you see here, where, Dom, if you click the Share Your Wins tab, we have a ton of people winning in this group. Again, I'm not guaranteeing that's going to happen to you, but we have a lot of people getting clients and a lot of people doing big things. We also, under the Learnings tab, have just about every training and system that's pre-built you could possibly want, even Dom's white label videos. We have everything you could possibly need. But most importantly, under the events tab, as Dom's going to show you, we have a ton of live coaching calls that you can get completely for free. Dom, you've been in this space for a while, okay? You came and joined forces with me because you saw something that has never been done before. Let's talk about this a little bit because this really is never been done. No one has given away this much stuff.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you guys aren't familiar with my work, I've been in the GoHighLevel space for 5 years now. I've been one of the top affiliates in the world for 4 of those years. And even from the beginning of time, it was all about what that affiliate was giving out in terms of bonus structure. And back in the day, it was like, oh, I'll give you a couple snapshots. I'll give you a nice little free course. But now it's like so many different courses. I mean, you're getting like hundreds of videos that you can't find on YouTube. You're getting bonus videos of mine that you can just white label and download and have for yourself. You're getting all the AI prompts. You're getting a bunch of sales scripts. I mean, it literally just keeps going on, including the events calendar, like you said, being able to hop on live calls with experts. We've basically built an entire infrastructure of support. Which is, no offense, better than the support channel that you're going to get with GHL. So it's unbelievable how many things that you get nowadays. It's almost impossible. It's like we have a completely separate company that's all just built on. That's really what's happening. It really is like a separate company built on support. And as you can see, 4.6 thousand members at the time of filming this, which is June 24th. That's going to get over to 5,000 pretty soon, I bet. And it's just been absolutely insane. Yeah, I'm sorry, but there's no way you're getting a better affiliate program. It's not happening. There is no better one out there. Everyone's trying to get in on this. So I wouldn't miss out if I were you.
Yeah. So if that interests you guys, go right down below, sign up with that 30-day free trial. Or if you have any questions, drop a comment down below.
And there we go. 41 tools were added for SEO implementation. Absolutely insane. That is the in-house version of SEO. Hopefully that was super easy for you guys to do. It's just a lot of copying and pasting. I'm sure you guys can all do it, but that's going to make this brand new website that was all custom coded by AI Studio in 10, 15 minutes. It's going to make that entire website work so much better. Even though it's a brand new website with a brand new company, the SEO is going to be solid right out the gate because of the in-house, because of what we did with ChatGPT. So hopefully you guys are doing this for all of your sites and all of your client sites. So the website speed is absolutely insane, and that you guys keep getting paid every single month. So there you go. Thanks for having me on the channel again, Declan. Hopefully we can do some really, really cool AI SEO prompts in the future and give them out to all of our amazing affiliates. So thanks, guys. And there you go. That is just one of many different ways that you can improve SEO and page speed inside of an AI Studio vibe coded website inside of GoHighLevel. And yes, there are multiple ways. There's a lot more intense things we could have done, but all in all, as long as you're getting an 80, 90 to 100 page speed, then you're going to be good to go, and your clients will be very happy and 100% pay you for that amazing vibe coded website. But either way, with all that being said, if you want to use that link in the description below and join the greatest affiliate program on the planet, and join both Declan and I's affiliate program, it's called High Level AI SaaS Lab. It's literally the #1 community in the world for GoHighLevel. Everyone's trying to get in here. We've got almost 5,000 members and counting. You can share your wins and see how many people are getting their first clients. Check it out. A small win from Ken. There are no small wins. We're always winning here. Another win for Ramon. Another client for George. This is really, really cool, guys. Everybody seems to be doing great. On the learning tab, we've got more videos that are not on YouTube, exclusive videos, plus AI prompts, sales scripts, agency snapshots, all of my bonuses. We're going to have a ton of amazing scripts that are going in here for SEO. So all you have to do is copy and paste. That's going to be amazing as well. We also have an events calendar where we go live every single day. Yes, live every day. Look at this calendar. Look how filled out it is. Do not miss out. You can hop in here and get questions answered by experts every single day in this community. And all you have to do is be an affiliate and use that link in the description below. You can also upgrade with us if you cannot become an affiliate any other way because you started like last year or the year before that. Then just upgrade with us and you can still become an affiliate. And then on top of that, if you can't become an affiliate no matter what, there's absolutely no chance that you can become an affiliate of both Declan and I, then yes, we do have a way for you to buy your way in, also in the link in the description below. But hopefully you guys can just become affiliates and get it for free. The less money that you have to spend, the better for me. So make sure to use that link, hop on in here, and let's get you guys set up. But either way, with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys inside of the High Level AI SaaS Lab. I can't wait to see how amazing your SEO is on your new AI vibe coded websites. And most importantly, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video on YouTube tomorrow because I post every single day. Peace out.
I just